Does your office desk often get messy with a pile of documents and files? Worry no longer, because now you can organize your work desk perfectly with the STEALTHO Desk Organizer in a snap. This file binder organizer is made of high-quality polycarbonate, which is sturdy and easily portable. Thanks to its well-thought-out design, your files will not fall out. This desk organizer has patented a boltless assembly system, meaning you'll not need additional nuts or bolts. And for this super easy assemble process, this desk organizer has won the most prestigious product design RedDot Award. With its vertical mount folder racks, you can easily keep track of where your office supplies are. Moreover, you can fit letter size and A4 documents using its 5 storage section separators. Also, it can hold your magazines, envelopes, clipboards, file folders, catalogs, books, and more. Plus, you can use its front ledge as a pen holder to store your small office supplies, smartphone, or other office-efficient stationery. On top of that, it lets you store files on your work desk, wall, or partition, so your table will have more working space. The organizer has silicone pads on the bottom to help prevent scratching, so you won't have to worry about sliding when you use it. Overall, keeping your office supplies organized will become simpler and better when you get the desk organizer from STEALTHO, which will help you work more productively without unwanted clutter.